Climate change is happening. It means our planet is getting warmer. This change affects weather, sea levels, and wildlife. Scientists agree that human activities cause it. Burning fossil fuels like coal and oil is a big reason. These activities release gases that trap heat. When the Earth gets warmer, it causes problems. Ice melts in the Arctic. This makes sea levels rise. Weather becomes more extreme. We see more heat waves, storms, and floods. It is a serious issue that affects everyone. We must understand climate change to fix it. Learning about it helps us take action. This essay will explain climate change and how we can help. Now, let's dive into the details. We will see what is happening and what we can do. Everyone can make a difference. Together, we can protect our planet. Climate change affects many parts of our life. First, it changes the weather. Summers are hotter, winters are warmer. This means more heat waves. These can cause health problems. Older people and children are at risk. Second, climate change affects animals. Polar bears are losing their homes. Ice in the Arctic is melting. Many animals cannot find food. They must travel further, which is hard. Some animals may even go extinct. Third, rising sea levels are a big problem. Water from melting ice flows into the ocean. Coastal areas can flood. People living near the coast may lose their homes. This also affects drinking water. Salt water can mix with fresh water. Lastly, farmers are struggling. Crops need the right weather to grow. Too much rain or heat can ruin them. This means less food for everyone. Food prices may go up. Poorer people will struggle the most. Everyone can help fight climate change. Small actions make a big difference. First, save energy. Turn off lights when not needed. Use energy-saving bulbs. Unplug devices when not in use. This reduces electricity use. Second, use less water. Take shorter showers. Fix leaks in your home. Use a broom instead of a hose to clean driveways. Saving water helps because it takes energy to pump and heat it. Third, recycle and reuse items. Separate your trash. Recycle paper, plastic, and glass. Reuse bags, bottles, and containers. This reduces waste and saves resources. Fourth, use public transport. Carpool or ride a bike. This reduces carbon emissions. Walking is another good option. It is good for your health too. Every bit helps in reducing pollution. Taking action on climate change has many benefits. First, it improves health. Cleaner air means fewer lung problems. Less pollution reduces asthma and bronchitis. People can breathe easier. Second, we save money. Energy-saving bulbs and appliances use less electricity. This lowers bills. Using less water also saves money. Efficient homes are cheaper to run. Third, we protect nature. Reducing waste means less trash in landfills. Recycling saves trees and animals. Using less plastic helps oceans. Sea creatures are safer from plastic waste. Lastly, it creates jobs. Renewable energy needs workers. Solar and wind farms need engineers. Green jobs are growing. This helps the economy. People have new opportunities. Section 5. Negative effects of climate action. Climate action can have challenges. First, it can be expensive. Installing solar panels costs money. Energy-efficient appliances are pricier. Some people cannot afford these changes. Second, it can be inconvenient. Recycling takes time. Separating trash is an extra task. Carpooling or biking may not be easy. Not everyone has access to public transport. Third, some jobs may be lost. Coal miners and factory workers could be affected. Closing dirty factories means fewer jobs. People need to learn new skills for green jobs. This takes time and effort. Lastly, changes can be slow. Building wind farms takes years. Switching to electric cars needs new infrastructure. Patience is needed. People must stay committed. Section 6. The role of governments and policies. Governments play a key role in fighting climate change. They make laws to reduce pollution. They can ban harmful practices. For example, they can limit car emissions. This reduces air pollution. Governments also support renewable energy. They give money to solar and wind projects. This helps create green jobs. They can also fund research. New technologies can make a big difference. Education is important too. Governments can teach people about climate change. Schools can have programs on how to save energy. This helps everyone understand the issue better. Lastly, governments can work together. Climate change is a global problem. Countries can share ideas and resources. International agreements can make a big impact. Cooperation is key. Section 7. Global cooperation and climate change. Climate change is a global issue. No single country can solve it alone. Cooperation is vital. Countries must work together. They share resources and knowledge. This makes efforts more effective. International agreements are important. The Paris Agreement is a good example. Countries agreed to limit global warming. They set goals to reduce emissions. This united effort makes a big difference. Sharing technology also helps. Developed countries have advanced tech. They can help others use it. This speeds up progress. Poorer countries can benefit from new solutions. Lastly, global cooperation builds trust. Countries understand each other better. They work towards common goals. This unity is powerful. Together, we can tackle climate change effectively. Section 8. Technology and innovation in combating climate change. Technology plays a big role in fighting climate change. Renewable energy is a key area. Solar panels and wind turbines generate clean power. They do not pollute the air. This reduces greenhouse gases. Electric cars are another innovation. They use electricity instead of gas. This cuts down on car emissions. Charging stations are being built worldwide. This makes electric cars more practical. Smart homes save energy. They use technology to manage electricity. Lights and heating systems are more efficient. This reduces energy waste. People can control their homes with their phones. Lastly, research is ongoing. Scientists are finding new ways to capture carbon. They are studying better recycling methods. Innovation is key to solving climate problems. Technology offers hope for a cleaner future. Section 9. Conclusion, the call to action. Climate change is a big problem, but we can solve it together. Everyone has a role to play. Small actions make a big difference. Saving energy, recycling, and using public transport help. Governments and businesses must do their part too.